A lot of us are the first of our family. I know a lot of you young niggas out there or young ladies out there got this money that's dirty. Come clean it up. Come get right. This is how you get your money financially proper, clean, everything the proper way. Okay, you don't need to be in the street doing illegal shit. Come get money the right way, with a conscience, and learn something. You'll learn about the world. You learn about investments. You learn about residual income. You learn about what's happening where. Okay, you seen what all of us band together. We see what we did with AMC, GameStop, Nokia. You see what we did?
1,000, 2,000 trees. I'll make guacamole from investing in my brother. And my brother. 𝙈𝙬𝙙𝙬, I get it with my brother.
Okay. What is good, world? It is your boy Session, and today we have another My Portfolio video. And yes, I'm bringing you my Robinhood portfolio as well as my public portfolio. I've been very, very blessed enough to do some partnership with public, the application themselves. I'm very grateful, very excited. And with that being said, we're giving away 15 t-shirts. Okay, or if you're watching this video, I will be giving them away. We're going to give them away on Friday. I'm going to do it live on the air on YouTube, more than likely. But I'm so grateful for you to be here. I want you to see my portfolio, see what stocks I'm invested in, what plays that we've been talking about in the Discord. And not only have I gave the other day, yesterday I came on, I gave 6 growth stocks as well as 2 option plays. I'm here to tell you about an option play we got in earlier this morning, as well as some other stocks that are really taking off right now. Okay, so stay tuned and get ready to check out my portfolio. You did. Okay, so as you see, I know the obvious, the butterfly, beautiful tattoo. I'm very grateful of it. Looks cool. We're free here. You know, you can get whatever you want. I really want to, y'all, for those of y'all who know me, y'all know I hate stigmas. So I don't believe what you look like determines your credentials. My resume, I believe, is just as good or better than any person, you know, my age that is going into the field in which I'm pursuing. All right. So with that being said, let's dive into the phone. Okay, you see the beautiful device right here. We're going to start off, you see I have WeBull down there in my widget. We're going to start off with Robinhood. Let's see. Let's check it out and see what the thieves are doing. You see here, wow, beautiful, $7,000, $7,177. You know, for me, this is huge because I remember when I just started with just 2,000 in here. So, very grateful. We're up $500 on the day, 7.5%. Let's see. I'm gonna show you all some option plays I have. Okay, I want to just give you some game. If you're in the Discord, you will have gotten this play earlier today or yesterday. All of the plays that I announced, what was today? On all the plays that I announced Monday, I announced those Sunday on the Discord, in the Discord family. So there we're able to discuss plays and get into them early in the morning. So that is an added benefit to go checking the Discord out. And what is that? Where can you check it out? In the description below. So one of the new option plays in which we've done is GNUS. However you pronounce it, GNUS. As you see right here, I did a $2 call. We haven't broke even or anything on it just yet, but this was already up a few dollars on the day. As you see, I have a call on Ford, TRXC, EXPR, SNDL is doing very well. I've made over $100 with that one as well. And GTE, you see right here, I have a $2.50 call. So what I want to do here is do the usual, just scroll down and show you some of my position. I want to show you that I've consolidated some of my stocks, and I have a few less stocks, but what I look to do is build the position in them. So here you see Naked, 58 shares. Naked was up today, fire. My baby PSEC, you know I love you, boo. 39 shares. Neo came back to normal. Thank you, Neo. Thank you for coming back. We appreciate you. Went crazy today. Did the normal thing that I'm used to Neo doing. It is almost back at $63. Macy's went down a bit. GNOG finally did something, which I appreciate. Arrowhead. I'm really going to continue to increase my position there. Trust me. You see PEY right here. We have 11 shares. And a stock I wanted to tell you about, which I told you about a month ago, is Tilray. Let's go into it here. Tilray is at 48.68. Are you understanding? Today it went up over 54% alone, including after hours. So we scroll down, you'll see that's today alone I made $200. So without doing anything, that's the importance of owning the stocks. So we've owned these shares. There's no such thing as an expiration date with these. With the shares, it's very important. I know y'all love option trading for the quick flip, but having shares also pays, because me just waking up and having an understanding and doing my research weeks ago, months ago, I knew that this play would blow. I knew that the cannabis industry would go up. And as a result, look at that. We were able to make $200 by doing nothing. So needless to say, I will continue to increase my position here. I'm going to wait for a dip before I get in, unless somehow tomorrow it's starting to propel into the 50s, 60s. Otherwise than that, I do have room to average cost up a bit. You see fuel cell, you see CSWC, NK. For those of you who know, I actually did increase my position here. So I'm going to continue with this one. That's one of my favorites. It is doing nothing but go up. SBE, Plug, Blink, Jumia, and you see here something new, Apple. Apple have 2.5 shares. And we have this 𝙎𝙬𝙬𝙬𝙠, and you see I have whatever that means. I'm up $98. So that's cool. This thing is very up and down. So this is the Robinhood portfolio, up $500. This is very dope. I'm not sure when it will transfer out. I know a lot of you are looking and asking me, hey, when does my transfer take place from public? So let's just be patient. I have been asking people on the team how long the transfers take, so we will have an answer for that pretty soon, but just be patient. As you see, I was blessed enough to get the ability to post things. So now you'll see my post. People can engage on it whenever I purchase something new or I post some information. Sometimes I can even take some of the plays that we have in the Discord family and share them over here. So I would advise you to stay tuned and follow me on here. So we'll go home and you'll see here I am down 2% on the day. But one thing I want you to do is look at the value of my portfolio here. You'll see $5,800. So we have surpassed the $10,000 investment mark. I do want to give a round of applause for that. Now, I'm going to celebrate it fully when it is on one portfolio. So I do have over $10,000 invested. I'm very grateful for that and honored, but let's hold off and let's celebrate it when it's all on the public portfolio. We'll have a proper celebration and I'll do a giveaway. But for right now, as you see, I want to show you my portfolio. I have a position in SNDL. I have OCGN. I have punk ass AMC, because the hedge fund people, y'all know what y'all are. AVXL, spoke about this last week. I hope y'all paying attention. A lot of y'all continue to DM me, but you're DMing me questions that show me that you haven't taken forth any effort. Because if you ask me, how do I do an option play when I made 5 videos on it? Come on, you have to, just try. If I tell you about the Discord and then you get in a Discord but you don't ask any questions, no matter if it's mine or whoever else's program, it's not going to work if you don't try. So just try a little bit, okay? So you see I also have a position in Zoom. And I'm going to show you a couple key positions I have here. So you see Zoom, I have a couple shares. Let's see, we have 1 share, $477 worth. I have FUBO, aka FUBU, that's what I call it. SPCE, Virgin Galactic. And here is one of the keys. I have almost 0.3 of a share of Amazon. My goal is to get a full share of Amazon, see how it does, hold it for a month, and then let's play it out, see what's happening with it. If it does nothing, I'm going to turn it into liquidity and use it as capital to purchase and deepen my position in other things. Okay, so I want to show you I do also have more Apple shares. As you see, I have almost 2.5 shares here of Apple. And last, but certainly not least, you see this Tesla. Look at this, almost 4 shares of Tesla. So I want to be really covered when it comes to the EV space. I want to be with my baby Neo. I want at least 50 shares of that, and I want to get as many shares of Tesla as I can get. So we will be fully covered as far as the EV vehicle aspect of it. We have Plug, SBE, ChargePoint. We have all those other things as well. So this is my portfolio on the beautiful public app. As you see, it looks stunning, doesn't it? You see, we also do have, and here's where you can see the overall of my portfolio, $5,882.28. I am up almost 4%. Okay, on the day, I'm very grateful of it. This is awesome. You see my watch list, different themes I have, different posts I have. As I continue to work with public, you will notice more that I will be, getting verified and getting on the application and showing my face and getting more exposure on there, because that's coming from the help of you. You all taking initiative, y'all helping to change my life. I'm leading to the lake and everybody's drinking. So I'm very appreciative of you all. I hope you like the portfolio. Please leave below in the comments, what are your thoughts on public? Y'all know how I feel about the public app. Hold tight on the options. Maybe keep using Robinhood for a little bit on the options. Use WeBull or something for the options for a second. Though I'm not using them anymore. My money's still yet to transfer. So that is what it is. But I just wanted to kind of give y'all some idea where my mind was, what my portfolio looks like. Let me know what you think of public. If you need a public account and you want to sign up, please click my link below. We both get a free stock. I love that. The key is, it doesn't matter which brokerage you use, Fidelity, Public, Ameritrade, whatever. I don't give a damn what you use. The point is just to invest. Get your money in these institutions and make some money. Own some shit, So that way you don't have to work a 9 to 5. We can create some residual income and some generational wealth for our families. A lot of us are the first of our families. I know a lot of you young niggas out there or young ladies out there got this money that's dirty. Come clean it up. Come get right. This is how you get your money financially proper, clean. Everything the proper way, okay? You don't need to be in the street doing illegal shit. Come get money the right way with a conscience and learn something. You'll learn about the world. You learn about investments. You learn about residual income. You learn about what's happening where, okay? You seen what all of us band together. We see what we did with AMC, GameStop, Nokia. You see what we did? So let's continue to do so. Make sure y'all go check out GNUS. That option calls fire. Check out Tilray. And make sure you check out SNDL. These are all plays I've told you about or spoke to you about, except for GNUS. We just did that today in the Discord group. So if you're part of the Discord family, you're getting game for free. So I love you. That's pretty much all I got. All right, let's all go be free out here, man. Don't let nobody tell you, we're millionaires. We don't really, you don't need 2 cents of a broke person. Okay, so let's go out here and get rich. Let's be abundant. Let's feel abundant. Let's be positive. Let's be kind to one another. Let's get this motherfucking money. Until next time, stay awesome, stay lit, and stay healthy. You did.